Welcome to Electrical Engineer's first Arduino tutorial. In this tutorial we will make a simple LED blink 1 times every second. To begin, download the Arduino IDE from arduino.cc. Once you have installed it, open up a new sketch by opening Arduino, going to File, New. To begin, we have to understand the basic structure of the Arduino coding, which is based on C++. There's a function called void setup. As the name suggests, in this function we put the setup code. This code runs once when you start up your Arduino or on a reset, and in this function we usually declare the pin modes, such as it will be an output or an input. We declare variables, usually outside of this function, just to make sure that they are declared in case this function doesn't run for any reason. The void loop is as the name suggests, a function which runs continuously. The void loop runs continuously, so whatever is in the void loop will continue on running. When the function finishes, it will automatically restart. Okay, to begin with making our LED blink, we first have to define the variables, such as the pin we would like the LED to be connected to, and the amount of time we want it to blink every second, or the delay between turning on and off, which we will call delay time. So, to begin, define an LED pin. You can name this whatever you want to, but LED pin just makes it obvious when you come back later to more complex codes. And we will be using pin 8. Usually defines we use instead of variables, since they take up less space, and we only use them for variables which we do not want to change during our program. The delay time we will put in an integer, because in some programs we may want to change the delay time. For example, if we develop this program and we want to make the LED blink depending on the voltage on a pin, then we would change the delay time. So we have to make sure that it's not a define but a integer rather. We can define an integer by typing int. I will name my delay time variable delay time and make it equal to 1000. 1000 is 1000 milliseconds, which is equal to 1 second. This will means when we will finish our code that our LED will be on for 1 second and off for 1 second. You can play around with it to get the delay time that will suit your needs. Okay, so in the void setup we will have to declare our pin mode. So we would like it to be an output. We will do that by typing pin mode LED pin and output. Make sure you type it in uppercase letters, where I've typed uppercase because it's case sensitive. This is it for our void setup function, because we have declared pin 8 as an output. So in the loop we will have to write the pin 8 high, so basically turn the LED on, wait for the delay time, which is 1 second, then turn it off, and then wait again. We can do this. To turn the LED on or set the pin to high, we write digital write LED pin high. This will turn pin 8 on. To delay, we type delay and delay time. Next, we would like to turn the LED pin off. We do this by typing digital write LED pin low, and we want to wait the same amount of time, so just copy paste this, and that's it. Save it to where you would like to save it. I will just save it into tutorial 1. You can rename it, of course. Now that we have saved it, we can test our program to make sure it will run correctly on the Arduino. We can do this by clicking the verify button. It will show our progress down here, and it will say done compiling. If there are any errors, it will show them down here in red. Say, for example, we forgot a semicolon, it would show our error down here. Let's put back our semicolon so our program will run correctly again. So this is how to make an LED blink in Arduino. I'll show you how to wire up your LED to your Arduino. I'm going to be using a digital simulator on circuits.io. This is a website provided by Autodesk. In the future, I will make tutorials on how to use this website because I find it very beneficial for debugging my projects. So, to begin wiring up your LED to your Arduino, start by connecting the shorter pin of the LED, the side that is a bit chopped off, the cathode pin, to the ground pin on your Arduino. You can also connect it to the ground pin up here, or the other ground pin down here. Next, you will want to place a 470 ohm resistor between the anode pin, the longer pin on the LED, and pin 8. This will make sure that not too much current flows through the LED, possibly burning it. Now, as you see, we have wired up our circuit. Now, we can go into our code editor here, or if you're using the Arduino, open up your Arduino, go to Tools, Board, select your board, which you probably are using Arduino Uno. Then go to Tools, select the port it's on. If an Arduino will be plugged in, it will show up under serial ports. Then, after you have selected your port and type of board, you can see down here what is currently selected. Then, you will want to press the upload button. Once you click this button, it should compile your sketch and then upload it. Since I do not have a board connected right now, it will say problem uploading to board. However, to simulate this circuit for you, I will simulate it on the website. The same way I uploaded it on the website, you can see that the USB is now connected with power being supplied to the Arduino. As you can see, the LED is flashing once every second. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video.